What many people see as worthless scrap metal is actually a valuable resource waiting to be transformed. Today, let's explore how discarded aluminium cookware is recycled into high-quality new products. The process begins with used aluminium cookware covered in years of grease and dirt. It is thoroughly cleaned using powerful, high-pressure water jets to remove stubborn stains and impurities. Once clean, the cookware is fed into an industrial crusher, where it is shredded into small, uniform aluminium pieces. This allows the metal to melt faster and more evenly. The aluminium fragments are then transferred to a recycling furnace, where they are melted at a carefully controlled temperature of 700 to 720 degrees Celsius. Maintaining this temperature is essential. Too low and the aluminium won't melt completely. Too high and excessive oxidation creates unwanted slag. Under ideal conditions, the aluminium becomes a clean, highly fluid, molten metal ready for reuse. Next, the molten aluminium is poured into molds, rolled into flat aluminium sheets, rapidly cooled, and stamped into their new shape. The newly formed pieces then move to automated polishing machines, where rough edges are trimmed and both surfaces are polished until they become smooth, bright, and free of burrs. In just a short time, a discarded aluminium pot or pan is transformed into a high-quality product ready for a new life. This process not only reduces waste, but also saves energy, conserves natural resources, and proves that what we call waste is often just a valuable material in the wrong place. If you enjoyed discovering this amazing recycling process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next journey inside fascinating factories and manufacturing processes. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next.